Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Are you really picky about your coffee and want to be able to select a certain grind, or do you prefer it to be no frills, super easy? I think that this coffee maker by Cuisinart is the best of both worlds.
This 12-cup automatic coffee maker really does it all. It has the capacity to serve a crowd, but it also can just make a fantastic cup of coffee just for you. So I love how customizable this is. You are able to grind your own beans if that's something that you want to do. You can even choose the grind strength, the strength of the coffee. You can experiment and really customize to find the perfect cup for you. And you can program this. So if you want to wake up to the smell of fresh coffee in the morning, you are able to do that with this coffee maker. But also, if you just want to keep things simple, you can turn that grind feature off and just use already ground coffee and just brew a pot. So really, it's up to you how technical you want to get with this coffee machine. It can be super simple or it can be more customized to you. It has that 12-cup capacity, so I find that this is really great when we have company, but even just making a couple of cups, it is amazing. I'm going to show you what it sounds like when it's grinding and then what it sounds like when it's brewing. I think this is the ultimate coffee maker, and the cup of coffee that it makes is so delicious in no time.
So, whether you're making coffee for a crowd or you just want an amazing cup for yourself, I think that this coffee maker by Cuisinart is incredible. I love this coffee and I think you will too, but that's just my point of view.